Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change text size for the specific app. If the text in a particular app is too small or too large, you can adjust the text size. First of all, you need to go to your notifications bar in the top right. From here you can simply press and hold on an empty, and after that you can select add control on the bottom. And here you need to select the text size icon there. And from here you can simply press onto this text size icon and this will open. What you need to do is in the bottom there's two options of the home screen only or the all app. You can select the all apps or you can select the home screen only just to change the text size, and that is it. The change will apply only the app, and that's how to change the text size for the specific apps on the iPhone. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.